What's up, everybody? Billy from LM Cases here, and today we're going to take a look at our 90-inch tech trunk. So this is a riff off of our standard truck pack trunk, except this one has removable trays. This is a 45 by 22.5 tech trunk. It's designed for just very, very general kind of storage, but what we ended up doing was adding our new divider set to the tray here. So each one of these trays features 5 removable dividers, so you can configure these things however you'd like. This is a PE foam dado set in here, so you can move these however you want, wherever you want. This is perfect for really any application. Specifically, if you're looking at it as an audio trunk, this is cool for DIs and any turnaround cables or stand adapters or any of that kind of stuff. That would be just, maybe not necessarily for a work box, but it would be a nice thing just to have in here. On the left hand side, this is just an open kind of compartment, so if you're putting mics or something like that in here, it would be a good place for larger cases, like say a 414 or a 421 or something like that can go up there. So these trays are built out of 1/2-inch plywood. This is a double laminated plywood, so it's black on the outside, black on the inside. The exterior trunk is built out of the same material, so if we look in here on the lid, this is also black ABS plastic on the inside, which is really nice for cleaning. So let's pop these trays out of here, and we'll show you what's going on below. All right, so we've got the trays out. This is the business end of the trunk interior. So the trays are supported by 2-inch aluminum angle that is on the right and left-hand side here. And if we look down in here, again, double laminated. All the corners are nice and soft, so you can put cables or anything like that down there. So if you are putting dirty cables or ramps or any of that kind of stuff in there, you can wipe it out. This would be great for beyond cables, for mic stands, any bit of stagecraft in that way. Here's a little bit of a close-up here on the trays. Out of the case, everything is nice. The hardware set on here is a flat triangle corner. Looking over here at the case, we're using Colson 4x2-inch Encore casters. Got our customer silkscreen here. Shout out to All of It Now for being the first to order this case. So we're using deep recessed pen hardware everywhere. These are deep recessed handles, so the rubber portion of the handle is on the inside, or it's nice and recessed so that the handles won't rub up against each other. And if we shut the lid here, we are using stacking caster wells in the top, so all LM trunks in the 90-inch flavor 45 by 22.5 will stack with this one. And looking just to wrap it up at the back, this does have recessed lid stays. So we do recess lid stays on trunks like this as much as possible, because if you're going to kind of lob a loom of cable up into the case, you don't want to kink the lid stays. If it was a fabric lid stay, you can kind of kink the lid stays and they'll want to close on you. So we do try to use recessed lid stays. So if you're kind of looking at our products, I do use that nomenclature a lot of a recessed lid stay, and that's what it is. So if anybody has any questions, you can email me direct, billy@lmcases.com. Check us out, lmcases.com. You can buy this case direct from us, lmcasesonline.com. You can check the link below in the description for that. And if you want to check us out on Instagram, LM_cases. Thanks for stopping by. Hope everybody has a great day.